Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Abhi. This is ninth episode of WordPress tutorials, and in this particular episode we will see how to add image, audio or video in WordPress. That is how you can add media gallery in WordPress. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. After logging into your WordPress dashboard, you have to move on to the left sidebar. In the left sidebar, you will see an option of media. Click on it. Now we can add media by two options. First, by clicking on the add new button on the top, and second by clicking add new in the left sidebar. So I'll just click on any of the add new. Now it will ask you to drop the files or upload the files. So I will click on the button select files. Now from my device I will select some media to upload in WordPress. Select all the images, videos or audios, any type of media file you want to upload. Select and just click open. Now you can see the images are uploading. Once the progress bar reaches to the end, your image or your media file will be successfully uploaded. So that was a quick and short video on how to add images, audio, video or any kind of media file to WordPress. So as usual, I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed and stay tuned to Digital Abhi.